gorgeous! Are you struggling with dark spots, pigmentation, acne, or uneven skin tone? Try this 100% natural home remedy for clear, bright, and glowing skin. I'll show you how to make a DIY dark spot remover using simple kitchen ingredients. Face pack for acne, dark spots, and pigmentation. Take a clean bowl and add 1 tablespoon rice flour and 1 tablespoon gram flour. Then add 1 to 2 tablespoon potato juice. Now mix very well to form a smooth paste. Apply this face pack evenly to your face, focusing on dark spots and acne scars. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. Rice flour gently exfoliates and brightens skin. Gram flour absorbs excess oil and prevents acne. Potato juice naturally lightens dark spots and pigmentation. Second recipe: take a clean bowl and add gram flour 2 tablespoons, half tablespoon turmeric powder, a small amount of honey. Then add 2 tablespoons yogurt. Now mix everything well to form a smooth paste. Apply the face pack evenly on your face and neck, focusing on acne-prone and dark spot areas. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it starts to dry. Rinse off with lukewarm water, gently massaging in circular motions. Use 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Turmeric fights acne and reduces inflammation. Honey moisturizes and heals scars. Yogurt contains lactic acid to exfoliate and fade dark spots. Or you can use these alternatives for dark spots and acne. The ordinary niacinamide, 10%, plus zinc, 1%, dark spot and acne treatment. What it does: fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation, reduces acne and controls excess oil, minimizes pores for a smoother skin texture, brightens dull skin and evens skin tone,